Hi friends, I hope you and everyone around you are safe and in good health. Today in this video I'm going to share unbiased techhorn.in reviews and will let you know is techhorn.in legit or a scam website. But before starting guys, let me tell you that it is not a sponsored video, neither this website is owned by me. So by the end of this video, you will get to know whether you should buy products from this website or not. So without wasting much time, let's get started. This is the homepage of the website, and over this website you can see that TechHorn offers variety of products such as household appliances, kitchenware appliances, sound collection, trimmer collection and much more. And guys, here we can see that the prices of these products are too good to believe. And before proceeding further, friends, I would request you all to like, share, and subscribe my channel because it will help you guys to get the notification each time when I upload some informative videos on my channel. Now let's proceed to know information related to payments. So here we can see that the available payment options are Airtel Pay, Amazon Pay, MX, Freecharge, Mastercard, PayPal, Paytm, RuPay and Visa. Now let's check the shipping policy. So here we can see that TechHorn offers free shipping to all Indian territory, and apart from this guys, here we can see that shipping time is not specified anywhere. Now let's have a look on return and refund policies. So guys, here we can see that their return policy lasts for 60 days after delivery, and refund if applicable will be initiated automatically in the mode of payment that was used by the customer at the time of purchase. And apart from this guys, talking about the cancellation policy, so here we can see that all orders are eligible for cancellation within 24 hours. Now let's proceed to check the way to contact them. So here we can see that address, contact number and an email ID is provided, which is support@techhorn.in. Addition to this guys, I would like to inform you that the given email address does not exist, so you won't be able to send mails. Also the contact number does not exist, so you won't be able to make calls as well. So guys, it's a red flag. Therefore, now let's proceed to check the details related to registration. So here we can see techhorn.in was registered on 13th October 2021. So this is quite a new website as it was registered just couple of days back. Apart from this guys, we can see that 44% of the content over the website is copied as it matches with other scam websites, and the images of the products too are duplicate, so it's a negative highlight. Moving on to check the customer reviews. So guys, here on the official website you will see that there is no section for customers feedback. So let's check the customer reviews over the reliable sites on the internet. So guys, I could not find even a single customer review on the internet as well. Thus, it's a red flag because customer reviews are one of the most crucial factor in determining the legitimacy of any shopping website. So guys, loopholes such as incorrect contact details, lack of presence on social media platforms, lack of customer remarks, low trust index, copied content and duplicate images of the products makes us to doubt the authenticity of this website. So based on all these checkpoints, I would highly recommend all the viewers not to shop from this website as there are high chances of receiving low quality goods or nothing at all. So guys, that was all about the authenticity of techhorn.in. And friends, if you have ever ordered anything from this website, do share your feedback in the comment section below so that other viewers get to know about your shopping experience with this seller. Also, do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to protect yourself from online scam. Bye bye guys, stay safe, stay informed.